Good morning, respected Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, I have always felt that the true textbook for the pupil is his teacher. I think this is because teachers not only educate the students, but they change the lives of their students. A teacher plays an important role in shaping students' future. He nurtures students' self-esteem. He helps them to understand a better human being and mold them into future leaders. Teachers are the reason behind the successful career of a student. Today is 5th September, which is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor all the teachers across the country. On this beautiful occasion, I take privilege in wishing all the mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Today is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who taught the people that teaching is actually a way of life and not just a profession. Today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and second President of India. This is important for all of us to know the reason behind the celebration of Teachers' Day. After Dr. Radhakrishnan became second President of India in 1962, some of his former students came to him and asked if they could celebrate his birthday on 5th September. Dr. Radhakrishnan politely responded, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed as Teachers' Day. Since then, his birthday is being celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, one of Dr. Radhakrishnan's closest friends, once said of him, he has served his country in many capacities. But above all, he is a great teacher from whom all of us learn much and will continue to learn. Nehruji also said, it is India's peculiar privilege to have a great philosopher, a great scientist, a great educationist, and a great humanist as our president. Dr. Radhakrishnan has devoted his entire life in promoting the value of education. He is always remembered to mark a tribute to his great contribution for the nation. I, on behalf of my fellows, thanks to all my amazing teachers for all your great lessons. You are the pillars of our success. You are the best. I am deeply thankful to all my respected teachers. Thank you to all of you.